Okay, everyone, now that we've had a chance to get to know a little bit more about, well, at least you've gotten to know a little bit more about me, let's talk about three important aspects of the course real briefly, okay? The overview, the expectations, and then tips for success. So first, let's talk about the overview of the course and what it's going to look like. It will consist of 4 major essays that you will write over the course of the 16 weeks, and we'll take each essay through the entire writing process and help you draft and revise and polish each of those. You will have discussion boards that you will participate in, quizzes, reading assignments, and other assignments that specifically relate to your essays. So that's just an overview of what you can expect to see on a week-to-week basis in the course, okay? Next up, let's talk about expectations. What are the expectations for students in the course? Well, first, it's expected that you're going to log on daily, Monday through Friday. The modules will be open on Saturday, and you're welcome to work then as well, but not required. Each day there will be some type of assignment for you to either submit or to be working on in preparation for a submission that is coming up. So it's really important that you're logging on each day. Secondly, you are expected to actively engage in the discussion board. And as noted earlier, you'll be expected to complete readings and you'll be expected to participate in group work as well. Okay? So last thing to talk about, let's talk about how to be successful in the class. So here are the things that I have found make students or assist students in being the most successful in the course. First, they log on daily. They understand that submitting assignments on time is crucial to earning full credit, so they make sure that they're logging on each day and they're aware of everything that's happening. Secondly, they plan ahead by looking at the weekly overview in the module so they can get kind of metaphorically that GPS broad overview of what's expected. And then they start planning out what they're going to submit and when based on the deadlines and everything else that they have going on in their lives. Okay. Third, they are proactive and they ask questions. They're not scared, shy, or timid about reaching out to me via email, phone, or text to ask those questions. Okay. And they also make friends in the class. They understand that just like in a traditional classroom, it's nice to have someone else that you can bounce ideas off of and ask questions to. So they make sure that they've got a friend in the course and that they have that friend's contact information. And last, but certainly not least, successful students sign up for the Remind 101 group, okay? That way they stay privy to all pertinent communications that I'm sending out, and they get it instantaneously on their phone in a mode that is very preferential, it appears, to students, okay? And that's it. That's how the most successful students succeed in this class. All right. I'm excited for a great semester, and I can't wait to get to know more about you and to learn together. Welcome to class.